Hello guys, it's Wednesday and you know naman our routine. We're going to the office today and ayan, medyo maaga tayo na nakaalis sa apartment. So ayan, lakad-lakad muna tayo going outside and while waiting for our Uber. So ayan, ang ganda ng car ko. And yon, nakasakay naman ako ng maayos and yeah, always don't forget to wear your seatbelt and yun, nakarating na rin ako ng safe. Since maaga tayo today, we need to do doorbell, ting! And ayun, mag-clock in muna and after clock in, mag-work muna tayo for a while and yun, uwian na agad. So, shout out to my brother-in-law who picked me up today and thank you. And yun na, uwi na tayo and yan, taran! Bye!